The rainy season is one of the seasons in Indonesia. This season occurs from June to December. During the rainy season, people usually like to eat warm or spicy food. When it rains, children like to play right outside the house. But activities outside the home will be slightly disrupted. If you want to leave the house, mask the